In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent header in Shopify. A transparent header is a great way to give your store a more modern, premium look, especially if you use large hero images or banner videos at the top of your homepage. We'll be adding a small piece of code to your theme so that your header background becomes transparent and sits nicely over that hero section. First, log into your Shopify admin. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side. From there, click on Online Store. This is where all of your themes and storefront settings live, and it's where we'll be making our changes. On the Themes page, find the theme you're currently using. You'll see a button that usually says Customize, and next to it there will be an icon with 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots. This will open a small drop-down menu with more advanced options for your theme. From that drop-down, select Edit Code. This takes you into the theme code editor, where all the files that control how your store looks and behaves are stored. Don't worry, we're only going to touch one file and paste in a small snippet, but it's always a good idea to be careful here and avoid changing anything else. On the left side of the code editor, you'll see folders and files. Look for the folder called Layout and click on it to expand it. Inside Layout, click on the file named Theme Liquid. This is one of the main layout files for your store, and it's loaded on almost every page. Once theme.liquid is open, scroll down toward the very bottom of the file. You're looking for the closing body tag, which looks like this: angle bracket / the word body and angle bracket. The code we're going to use needs to be placed just above that closing body tag. Now, go to the link in the description of this video. That link contains the code snippets you'll need for the transparent header. There are 2 versions of the code provided there. Start by copying the first one. If for some reason that doesn't work correctly with your theme, you can try the second code later as an alternative. Once you've copied the code from the document, head back to the Shopify code editor still in the theme, the liquid file. Place your cursor on the empty line directly above the closing body tag and paste the code there. Make sure you don't accidentally delete the body tag or any other existing code. When you're happy with the placement, go to the top right of the editor and click Save. After it finishes saving, preview your store to check that the header is now transparent and displaying correctly over your hero section. If it doesn't look right, you can either try the second code from the document or use the edit history in Shopify to revert your changes.